What is Photoshop? Adobe Photoshop is a raster graphics editor developed and published by Adobe Inc. for Windows and Mac OS. It was originally created in 1988 by Thomas and John Knoll. When creating graphics on a computer, there is a distinction between painting and drawing. Painting involves changing the colors of pixels using a painting tool. You can apply colors gradually with soft edges and transitions, and manipulate individual pixels using powerful filter effects. However, once you apply a brushstroke, there is no simple way to select the entire brushstroke and move it to a new location in the image. Drawing, on the other hand, involves creating shapes that are defined as geometric objects, also called vector objects. For example, if you draw a circle using the ellipse tool, the circle is defined by a specific radius, location, and color. You can quickly select the entire circle and move it to a new location, or you can edit the outline of the circle to distort its shape. Unlock your creative potential with our purely graphics combo, CorelDRAW and Photoshop. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, our comprehensive training will guide you through every tool and technique. Learn to create stunning graphics, professional designs with ease. Call 0803 3467 888.